How's it? I'm Kev. It's time to make some metal balcony railings, like these. I like to use cheap materials, but I'm not confident that this will work. The paper clips are hard to cut and the super glue is super gluggy, so I'm not surprised that this looks really terrible. Time to pivot. Here's a metal balcony by the Hamster Miniature Studio using PLA plastic. That channel's really worth a look. They're making a very precise dollhouse at 1:12 scale. Time to spend some money. Yay! Thanks for watching. Press the like button.